Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge.
Beats by Kobe.
I'll ride through my wood with my shawty, and we gon' ride in the dark till the morning. I'll ride through the wood with my shawty, no, I'll rise to the top every morning, night time, riding in the night, night time, riding in the night. Take it here off the top, couple of hits and we gon' pop. With my team, do a lot. With my sauce, you watch it drop. Couple running like a cop, man, I got the game on lock. I don't fucking see the difference between the bitches and thoughts. All my shoes got these six, walking it out, man, you know I defeat. All of my flows, I'm elite. All of my followers leading the fleet. Cause I would ride around in the nighttime, haven't seen this shit in my whole life. Cause we gon' ride to the top every morning, and you know we put the whip all in Spartan. Killing all these niggas like 300s, I'm a Spartan. Whenever I drop, you know I be flossing. Nighttime, riding in the night. Nighttime, riding in the night. Nighttime, riding in the night.
Yo, CPT Underworld. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You know it's your boy Oasis, and as you witness now, we had my boy Tash A come through with a track called Nighttime. So Tash, bro, where the inspiration of that track come from?
The track came from my experiences at the nighttime, like the song's name is Nighttime. So basically how I creatively in the track put together my experiences, what I'm going through. You know, music it always, there's a psychological, subconscious a reason behind it, so that's where it came from.
So you always have a message in your music, and that's how you portray it.
I like to have a message in my music. I like to have something in my music that people can relate to and find similarities so that they can, you know, like the music, they like it.
And like with your music now, how would I use your music to differentiate you as an artist in Cape Town?
Okay, so my music, I come from strong trap background because as I started as an artist, as a rapper, I started with trap. So trap will predominantly be the genre that I do the most, that I get out the most. So my sound, I'd consider my sound to be alternative rock.
Okay.
Because the auto-tune, you know, I didn't know if you knew, but Travis Scott's music is actually considered to be rock. So mine alternative rock because I like guitar sounds, I like a hectic 808, doom doom doom. So that's the type of thing.
So you like raw sound, like the raw sound, and that's why you like the whole rock vibe. Okay.
Yes, raw sound comes with raw emotion. That's how I feel. I like to put my emotions into a track.
Yeah, but that's dope. So I heard about your cypher sessions, bro. Where did they take place, and how did it come across? Like, how do you start this thing?
That's actually crazy that you heard about my cypher. That's actually really nice. So my cyphers I do at UWC. I'm a student of UWC final year. Almost got that degree, and then I can, you know, move upwards. But I do my cyphers at UWC just during lunchtime, just so that I can give upcoming rappers that doesn't have a voice, they don't know where to go with their music, what to do with it, just give them a platform to just get out there.
Yeah, that's dope, bro. And that's hard work, bro. Like, you see, we trying to do the same thing, but just on a bigger scale. But you're doing a good job. We must keep up the good work, bro.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for this pulling through, bro. It was just the shit, bro. Like, I appreciate it. So, before we go, I just need you to tell the world where we can find you and where we can find all your music, your pages, your platforms, you know?
Okay, so you can find me on most social media. You can catch me on Twitter, -A, catch me on Instagram, -A, YouTube, -A. -A is the name, and you can just search that, it will come up. Music, just SoundCloud and YouTube. I'm putting it out there. Soon it will go on all platforms. And other than that, find Tasha in your lineup. I'll be all around CPT.
Around CPT. No, you heard it for yourself. He's going to be everywhere in Cape Town. He's been performing a few places already. So if you see him, he told me, look for the lineup. You'll see that Tasha. Just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching. Just want to say thank you to our sponsors as well for this episode. The library, dsfootage, and Cameraworld for doing what they're doing. You know we had a fire episode. And it's your boy Oasis, and we out.